notice here we have an offset kit and a fat ass kit for your 2000 Softails. Okay, to fit your 96 up motors, your 110s, your 103s, 96s, etc. Basically, get everything you get here to fit a 250 in your bike. You don't need to buy a breakout now. You can convert your old Softail into a 250. We've got the wheels on offer as well. This kit comes complete with a swinging arm, your Phatail logo, axle covers, beautiful little belt guard. This is your bit goes in the front here, your front stainless steel. Okay, your spacers, and there's your fancy bit, the offset kit. This allows you to kick it out to the 250 tyre without actually removing the gearbox like you do on most of the bikes. You've actually got to completely strip your gearbox, put all new shafts in. This particular kit will save you over £1,000 in labour. Okay, they're on a special offer at the moment, so if you don't get one now, they'll never ever be available at this price. Give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively www.customcruisers.com if we've had a chance to put them on, because there's only 3 of these. But we will be able to also supply the rear fenders. Okay, we do a rear fender like a fancy fender with chrome struts, and if you've seen the Phatail kits, but these serious money, £5.5 retail. But this particular deal, as you can see, cracking deal, under £2 grand. Give us a call. Thank you.